Hey, welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and their incredible impact on the digital realm. In this rapidly evolving digital landscape, NFTs are taking center stage as a groundbreaking and innovative concept. So what are they and why are they so significant? Well, let's break it down. Understanding fungibility. In the world of economics, we often talk about fungibility. Fungible items are easily interchangeable. One unit is just as valuable as another. Commodities, common shares, options, and dollar bills are examples of fungible goods. But NFTs, well, they're a whole different story. Non-fungible assets are unique with distinct characteristics that set them apart. It's like Vincent van Gogh's The Starry Night. There's only one, and it's truly one of a kind. What's an NFT? An NFT, or non-fungible token, is a unique digital creation, and its authenticity is guaranteed by blockchain technology. It's irreplaceable and not interchangeable, setting it apart from cryptocurrencies and traditional stocks. The Ethereum blockchain serves as the primary venue for the generation and storage of NFTs, although other blockchain networks also facilitate NFTs. NFTs act as proof of ownership for digital assets, including art, real estate, music, videos, and more. They're like modern-day collectibles, but they exist purely in the digital world. How NFTs work. Brock Pierce, chairman of the Bitcoin Foundation, describes NFTs as a ledger that traces ownership, much like a certificate of authenticity. These transactions are recorded securely on a blockchain network, ensuring authenticity and preventing counterfeiting, unlike physical art. NFTs, a digital revolution. NFTs are like certificates of authenticity for unique digital items. The process of minting transforms a digital asset into an NFT, securing ownership details within a blockchain ledger. Ethereum is the primary platform for NFTs, thanks to its capacity for extra data, but other blockchains are catching up. NFTs within the artistic domain. NFTs have left an indelible mark on the art world. In March 2021, the artist known as Beeple, or Mike Winkelmann, orchestrated an auction of a digital collage comprising 5,000 images, fetching a staggering sum of $69,346,250 through Christie's. This event garnered attention on a global scale. Nevertheless, the volatility observed within the realms of cryptocurrency and collectibles underscores the potential fluctuations in the value of an NFT, a characteristic it shares with conventional investments. Real-world applications. NFTs are versatile and have found a home in various digital assets. Sports leagues, artists, musicians, and even internet memes have embraced NFTs. Esteemed sports leagues like the NBA and NFL have ventured into the NFT sphere by proffering game highlights in the form of NFTs. Owners can showcase and sell their NFTs on platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and NBA Top Shot, often requiring a digital wallet with cryptocurrency. How NFTs are created. Creators use NFT platforms to turn digital files into NFTs within a blockchain network. This process gives them the right to sell the NFTs, with fees varying depending on the platform. Before NFTs, it was tough to assign value to digital art due to its infinite reproducibility. But NFTs changed that, providing creators with a definitive owner. The evolution of NFTs. The term NFT first appeared in 2017 as tokenization of assets, but it wasn't until 2021 that it truly entered mainstream culture. NFTs have had a profound impact on the art world, with artists like Beeple selling digital artwork for millions at auctions. Varieties of NFTs. Certain categories of NFTs have gained prominence as primary applications of this technology. Profile picture NFTs. Often abbreviated as PFP, NFTs find use as profile pictures on various social media platforms. Prominent examples include the Bored Ape Yacht Club PFPs, some of which have commanded prices in the millions. Art NFTs signify the tokenization of digital artwork, encompassing digital paintings, digital photographs, three-dimensional digital sculptures, and other visual digital creations. Gaming NFTs represent specific elements within video games built on blockchain technology. Players can acquire virtual assets, collectibles, in-game items, skins, and more. Collectible NFTs, including digital trading cards, are fashioned and released in limited quantities to commemorate specific events, individuals, or themes. This category encompasses NFTs related to sports, politics, and memes. Virtual real estate NFTs symbolize digital parcels of land within blockchain-based virtual universes such as Decentraland. Owners have the liberty to erect structures and interact with their digital property as they see fit. Flourishing markets for NFT. can also be found in domains like fashion, music, and domain names. Some NFTs even have practical real-world applications such as club memberships and event access. Extraordinary transactions and controversies. Some jaw-dropping NFT transactions include Grimes selling her digital artwork for millions, Jack Dorsey auctioning his first tweet, which was auctioned his inaugural tweet for $2.9 million. Even Banksy's artwork being turned into an NFT and then burned in a symbolic act. Other noteworthy NFT transactions include Canadian musician Grimes, who realized $5.8 million by selling 10 digital images of her artwork in 2021. So there you have it, folks. NFTs are changing the game in the digital world, and their impact is undeniable. Whether you're an artist, collector, or investor, there's a place for you in this exciting and evolving space. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.